Hello and welcome back, everybody. As per the planner, today we are going to start with exploring ChatGPT. So we know that ChatGPT is something which is a chatbot, but wait, it is just 10% information we are aware. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about so many features which are introduced in ChatGPT. So these are certain pointers which you can see on ChatGPT's left sidebar: new chat, search, library, project, plugins, and codex. We are going to explore all of them, as well as we are going to understand about some of the rich features of ChatGPT, including writing the questions and getting the answer, as well as generating the image, document upload and analyzing the entire document, and also learning mode as for the students, how to work with ChatGPT and start the learn mode. Deep research, some projects we can work, we can do the collaboration. Reasoning mode is also there available. Automation support is also there, and of course web search is there. ChatGPT. So these are the sidebars which you can see. And here, all the pointers I'm going to discuss about, where I'll show you all the recent and the historical searches. Here we can put the add the files, and we can create image, and so many things we can do here. And also, of course, every one of us are aware that here we can write our query, and from here we can just pass it and we can get the answer. Also, we will understand that not that type of answer which we are looking, the textual answer. Instead, we will be getting the images also. We can attach our such files which are so huge. I will show you. I have one Excel sheet in that I have 11,252 rows, including some of the columns which are not actually having any data, and some of the columns which are actually, some of the cells which are actually empty. So, how ChatGPT is helping us to analyze this data and predict the, it can help us the decision making and predict the sales as well. So this is totally one of the CSV file, or the data set which is based on one of the e-commerce website, and from there I have taken it. Yes, so we will check that how actually ChatGPT is cleaning it and making it useful for the data analysis, and how it is analyzing the data, and also it is helping us to work with the decision making and the prediction for the sale. Also, friends, we are going to understand about how it is generating such images, how it is uploading the documents, how it is working with the code, how it's working with Canvas, project creation, voice conversion, study mode, data analysis, deep research, and so many more. So in next video, we are going to explore each and every feature in detail. So stay with me. Thank you so much.